Hello friends, you're with me Anuradha from learningmilestone.com, and in this series we are learning Python along with turtle graphics, and as part of this lecture we will learn to create a beautiful star in our REPL editor using Python turtle. So let's get started. So I'm in REPL editor. I'll click on new REPL to create a new REPL, search Python template, and let's say I name it as star underscore turtle. Create REPL. As I said earlier, this is not required if you are preferring other editor. So to create things in turtle, first I will import turtle library, and first I will create the screen using turtle dot screen, and if I run it you'll see the screen. Okay, so we are on the screen and this is the playground for turtle. Now let's bring turtle into picture and we can name it anything. So let's say Alex turtle dot turtle. Okay, left side is the name of a variable which can be anything, and here we have created an instance of turtle which is by default a shape of an arrow. So here we are ready to move this turtle around with our instructions about number of steps to be moved and an angle to be turned. Now in order to make star, let's say 5-point star, we need to see how much angle could be between the sides. I'll go to Google. Let's say angle between star sides. Okay, and let me see if I can figure out anything. Okay, this show, let me click on this figure, open image in new tab. So it shows me that the angle between two sides of star 5-point star is 36 degree. So if let's say my turtle starts from somewhere here, I move it by certain steps, let's say 100 steps, and then I turn my turtle not by 36 degree, right by 144 degree, which is 180 degree minus 36 degree. So I need to turn my turtle right by 36 degree, and since all the sides of star are equal, I'll just keep any number of steps but equal number of steps while moving turtle. And now it is clear that I have to turn my turtle by 144 degree, and since there are 5 points, I have to repeat the steps by 5 times. Let's do it. So Alex dot fd is the command to move it forward. I move it by 100 steps, and then I want to turn it right by 144 degree. Let's see. Okay, so now I will repeat this step 5 times. So I'll copy this and paste it 4 more times. 4, 5, 5. I hope it works. Let's see. Very nice. What if we want to increase the size of the turtle, right? We have to go and change at every FD. Let's say we want to make it 200. We have to go and change it at every line where we have moved it by 100 steps. And can we make things better? Yes, we can make things better with the help of something called variable, which will be our topic of next lecture, where we'll be learning Python concept variable with the help of this particular program. So let's go to next lecture.